Hey Zeke, this is Mrs. Havronic. I just saw your comment that said, how do I get on math and reading? And so this is what you're going to do. Up here at the top it says classwork. You're going to click on that. On the side it has all of your topics that you will be working on throughout the year. So you would go down here to math, and if you click on this, that's going to take you to your worksheet there. Okay, and then if you want to get onto reading, I'm going to go back to the classroom. Then I would come over here to reading, and then see there's no lessons posted yet. So there also shows all of your classwork on this page right here. So up here where it says classwork, that's where you're going to want to go look at stuff. And then it also has your music and PE stuff. So there's some grammar stuff down here that you can work on, it looks like, and some writing stuff that you can work on. So good luck.